Hello, happy Mondays. It's raining again. We are here again to work inside again. We are going to take care of the first few steps on the stairs behind us because they're super loose and one of them's collapsed. So we're going to strengthen them, and then we're going to go upstairs and I'm going to rip down all the lava and plaster ceilings in the room where you guys have seen before and have a good old tidy up, and yeah, that'll probably do us for the day, I reckon. What do you think?
I think so. Inside works for the win today. It's pouring with rain.
Pouring with rain yet again. I mean, the ducks must be happy.
I guess so.
Come on. Right, if you want to grab that in. Use the glass that's in the middle. These are pretty much the quarry tiles that you'll probably want in there. But
yeah, we found a few round and about of those, haven't we?
So
if only they were under this.
Well, they're not. It looks like they've ripped them all up to put the lino down.
Yeah.
But there you go. That's pretty much what we were thinking of having, like quarry tiles, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So yeah. This is what we are having to deal with. We are going to try and repair this as best we can, so we can walk up and down. We have a lot of stuff that needs to go up, and it is a lot easier to do that on a set of stairs than it is via a ladder. So hopefully we can repair this and keep this set of stairs until we have the new set to put in, and then on that day we will take the old set out and put the new set in, and we'll have stair continuity. This here, it's called a stringer, and that is what you notch out, and that's where your treads and your risers go onto. And you can see that the stringer here has collapsed. You can just see that little tiny triangle, a bit that's kind of popped off there, or they looks like they've actually added to it. So the plan is to clean the floor here and put a couple of props up in here and see if we can get this back up into position, and then we can tackle the rest of the steps. It should push all the steps up as we go. Okay, it's in a right old state, but hopefully we'll find something right about 400 millimeters. That's not a bad guess. Doesn't have to be perfect at this stage. We'll also need you. Come with me. Well, that's encouraging. There's one. Wedgerson. Okay. About there, I reckon. Let's see. Let's see if I can start it off like that. There we go. Call that one a win. You can see the stringer here. There is not a lot of stringer left at all, so we're going to have to do some supports all the way up here because yeah, it's not in the best of conditions. Oh, my bum's getting cold. Not too shabby. 2 temporary props, one here and one here. This one's the most successful one because it's actually pushed the stringer up all the way through, and it's pushed all of the stairs back into pretty much their original position. As you can see, it's no good as it is. We will have to put a timber that runs all the way through here, and then the support up through here, and probably one up through here. We're going to be walking up and down these stairs a lot, carrying heavy stuff, and I want to make sure that they're super strong, and there's not a chance that they might drop on us again. This is going to go over here, and my beautiful assistant is going to come and hold the camera here.
Oh, hello.
Do, 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 do. Gosh, soft there. Okay, I think I'm going to come just a touch. There we go, there we go. Thank you, dear.
All right.
Yep. Right, you lot. We're going to have another upright going through there, and that should support that one. We're going to repeat the process through there and down through there, and we'll probably pop one in here as well for luck. Kettle is on, tea is soon. They'll make me happy. Stay in there. Okay, there we go. That's support up there. A couple of screws in there. Sorted. Right, here we go. Supports there. Upright supports all the way through here. So let me just bring the light up here because it's a dark old day. So there we go. We can tap dance, disco dance, everything on these stairs now. Time to go upstairs. we're done.
Hooray!
Everything's tidied up, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hooray for that. And so we're going to go off to the déchetterie before we lose the lights. Pick up the kids, and that's us. Shorter video, hopefully a little bit more frequent, maybe. Some of you guys have been asking for that in the comments. So, like and subscribe.
Oh, yes, yes, please.
Yes, it really helps us out. Okay, love you, bye!